So your second benefit is going to be your federal tax credit. And this is called the Federal Investment Tax Credit, ITC for short. And this is going to pay you a big chunk of money up front, and the federal government pays this. This graph shows you how much you will get back in federal tax credit money if you go solar. So it was 30% of the total cost of the system for the longest time. And then at the end of 2019, it actually stepped down to, in 2020, to 26%. The Biden administration actually extended the tax credit for 2 years. So that's why you see 26%, 26%. And then at the end of this year, it's going to go down to 22%. So you really want to take advantage of this 26% this year. Otherwise, if you go solar next year, you're going to lose out on 4% from the federal government. And this is a tax credit, not a deduction. A deduction is going to lower your overall taxable liability. A tax credit is actually just same as cash. So at the end of the year, if you owe money, say your 26% is $9,000. If you owe the federal government $9,000, then you will owe them $0. If you are a W-2 employee, which most people are, you get money taken out of your check every single year, and whenever you have the tax credit, you'll get that on top of it. So say your tax credit was $9,000 and your return is usually $3,000, then that would mean you get $9,000 plus $3,000, which would be about $12,000. So this is a really great benefit, and you really should take advantage of it this year to get the full 26%. If you have any questions about it, just let us know. We're happy to explain more for you. Thank you so much.